Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We look around eBay and we found some items. We consolidated them and here they are. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated package from eBay. This is a consolidation of two eBay purchases. One is a first appearance and the other one is a pasabay find. Okay, so usually I order in Cool Stuff, Troll and Toad, or even directly in the Whiskey store. Okay, but there are times that if I cannot find them on those channels, then I go to eBay. Okay, so and there are a lot of trusted websites, or I should say stores in eBay, and one of them is definitely Flipside Gaming. Okay, where I got one of the items here, and another one I think is Lucky Dice Cafe, okay, or Lucky Dice Games. So definitely check out their eBay stores if you're looking for Heroclix items. Okay, so another set of tips. So this one, as I said, contains two items. One is for me and the other one is for Neil, one of the local players here in the Philippines. And let's see, what do we have? We have color papers. Okay, so we have here from Flipside Gaming. Okay, so I ordered the first appearance Avengers. Okay, so first appearance Avengers is, as the name suggests, the first time the Earth's mightiest superheroes came together. So we're not gonna look at the Iconics set for this video. Okay, we'll probably make a separate video of it. But you can see the box here. Okay, this contains Thor, Wasp, Ant-Man, Hulk, and Loki as the main villain. Okay, we just have to check whether the cards are here. The cards are there at the bottom. So again, separate video unboxing for this. And then the other items, we have this one. Ooh, these are the cards. And we have Hulkbuster. So this is the one for Neil. Okay, I think this is the chase for this particular set. Okay, Hulkbuster El Aguila is for us. I think the rest of this will be for us. So let's line them up, and hopefully everything will be in order. So I'm trying to collect everything related to the X-Men. Okay, this one I think mostly from the Deadpool set. So I'm trying to get my hands on more Deadpool set figures. And we have the actual figures themselves. Let's see. We have in this green paper, we have, oh, the Hulk Buster. Okay, Hulkbuster. Another green paper we have. Okay, we have Blind Owl. Okay, Blind Owl. Blind Owl. Oh, this one is interesting. These are oldies, but they don't have their bases. So we have 5 oldies here: Captain Britain, Kate Pride, Namor. Okay, we'll check. Put them on the side for now. I think they are uncarded, so that's why you can't find them here. The ones here, we have Animus. Okay, Animus is here. We have Colin Wing. Colin Wing is here. Okay, we have Valeria Richards. Okay, Fantastic Four set. Where's Valeria's card? There. So we have Daredevil from the Deadpool set. Daredevil. Then we have the Punisher, also from the Deadpool set. Okay, a couple more paper packages. We have Koi Boy from the Deadpool Weapon X set. Ultimatum Soldier. The card is missing. Oh no! A Deadpool set. There. Okay. I thought it was Deadpool and Weapon X. We have Vamp. I don't know this character, but she's there. And we have Mercenary. Okay. And we have Jean Grey, old school Jean Grey from Infinity. Put them here. Okay, one more. Oh, we have the bases here. We have Submariner base. Put them here. We have the Captain Britain base. We have the Professor Xavier. Okay, so this one I really like because Professor Xavier here is the Brood variant. Although it's broken. See, it's broken. Okay, but it's fine. I guess it's really hard to get this Professor X. So this is the Brood version of Professor X. And then we have Shadowcat. Okay, Shadowcat. By the way, this one is from Lucky Dice Cafe, if I'm not mistaken. Then we have Megan. Rookie. Okay, all the bases are here. And finally, our last paper bag, we have El Aguila from Next Phase. Okay, he's also a mutant. His sword is bendy. We have... Ooh, I love this sculpt from T-Ray. Okay, T-Ray. Some of them might be legacy speculation. We have Madcap. We have Hammerhead. Where's Hammerhead? Tombstone. Oh, Tombstone here. Tombstone is here. And where is the card of Hammerhead for Deadpool? Ah, here. Hammerhead, Deadpool. Okay. So, everything seems to be in order. As I said, very reliable eBay stores. Check them out. And what do you guys think of our hauls and finds? Comment below. Bye-bye!